Hello everyone, welcome to the Salsa with Silvia trick of the week. Today, Mario and I are doing an intermediate level 2 partnering pattern. So we're gonna get right into it and just try to keep up with us. You can always rewind, go back and see how we do it. All right, this pattern begins with a simple right turn for the follower. The only difference is that both hands are holding, so you're not letting go of the hands. Let's look at that. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, up. 5, 6, and 7. So on the count of 7, his right arm goes over my head. So just like that. And when you do that, be careful with your partner's hair. All right, so one more time from here. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay, from here, we're stepping into a back break. So both of us are stepping back. He's stepping back on his left. 1, 2, 3. Both arms go up. 5, 6, 7. You're not letting go at all. So the entire time, you're holding on to your partner. You're not squeezing because otherwise you won't be able to do the turns. Okay? So we're going to show you 2 variations of that move and how to exit. One is from here, he's going to toss my left hand with his right hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, followers, when you feel that he's tossing your hand, make sure you go with that and you literally create that big motion in the air. So all the way up. This is your chance to style and make that look really pretty. Let's look at that one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and toss. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so another way of exiting this move is with the hammer lock. So let's look at that. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. From here, this hand goes behind my back. 5, 6, 7. Now, how we're going to exit from here is with another toss. So he tosses my left hand, 2, 3, grabs it on the other side, and we're gonna rotate or turn outside 7. And that's it. So let's look at that again. So the same variation, the second time with the hammer lock, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, right hand turn, 5, 6, 7, over the head. 1, 2, 3, bring her right hand behind her back. From here, toss. 1, catch on the other side, and then turn, turn, turn. And followers, that's another opportunity for you to style. Whenever an arm is free, you can just style it up and make it look pretty. All right, so let's put them both together with a basic step in between. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, both hands go up. 5, 6, toss. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, with the hammer lock. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Toss, catch 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And that's it. Let's look at that with music so you can get an idea of how it goes with the counts.
salsa que traigo tiene dulce y mucho sabor. La salsa que traigo tiene dulce y mucho sabor. Suena Suena bonito, se alborota la gente y escúchenlo.
All right, this is it from this class, guys. Just stay tuned for another trick of the week next week. This was Mario, and I'm Silvia with Salsa with Silvia. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you react, comment, and share. And also, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. Remember to go on our website, www.salsawithsilvia.com. That's where we post our classes, our workshops, and a lot of other good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.